Today I'm at work cooking this delicious chicken tikka masala lunch for all my coworkers. Stay tuned. All right, for today's cook, we're going to be using this busted, janky grill. Parts are missing. We're using cinder block to hold up the wrong grate. But get some charcoal going. Get this grate out of here. Chimney put down. All I could find was these paper towels to get this lit. Get underneath there. Get all double going. And get that lit. All right, bring it back when this is ready to go. While the grill's getting going, we're just going to take some of our applewood chips here, put them in a nice foil, bunch of foil. That wrapped up. Ready? We'll just poke some holes in this side. Get our smoke going. While we were waiting, buddy Justin brought me this lift-off IPA. But let's go ahead and check on our coals. They're nice and ready, so I don't have a handle here. It's going to try to burn myself. Dump all this to one side. Put that damn thing down. And put our grate on our cinder blocks here. I do apologize. I forgot to hit record whenever I put these guys on the rack, but this is just a piece of crap I got from Temu. Just put them on the rack here. See my smoking wood. Smells absolutely delicious out here. Those are looking good. I will ask the guy if he will give me the recipe for the marinade he put these on. But it is a yogurt marinade that he put it overnight for me. But yeah, they're looking good. I'm not going to turn them around yet. Eventually I will take these and I will turn them around for even cooking, but it's only been about 15 minutes, so I don't see the point in it yet. I'll bring it back, I guess, whenever I do that. It turns out he just used some of this chicken tikka masala box powder. Get it on Amazon for $2 to $4, like you see here. Mix it in some Greek yogurt and added some fresh garlic, some fresh ginger, and put some cayenne pepper in there to taste. That's all there is to it. We're about half an hour into the cook. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. All right, I am just gonna triple glove these because I didn't bring my insulated gloves with me. Yeah, that's hotter than hell. Yeah, I can't do that. Can I tong this? I can. Just turn these dudes around. See, I added just a bit more charcoal. Get warmed up on there to keep our fire nice and hot. Go ahead and temp these while we're out here. So we're 156, 164. So we're almost done on this side. Yeah, we're done on this side. What are we at on here? A little bit behind. Come on, let go. There we go. Yeah, so, and while we're out here, I got some asparagus I'm going to put on. This has just been marinating in some butter, garlic. Oh, lost one. Just butter, garlic, a little bit of lemon juice, and some onion powder. Let that get warm. Yeah, once this side reaches the 165-ish range, I think we're ready to eat. As you can see, that was a super easy and delicious meal for about 5 of us at work to enjoy. Well, this is just a super easy video. Decided to make while at work. Get me back in the hang of things after taking my couple weeks of break from YouTube. If you enjoyed this video, or if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button, and I hope to see you in the next one. Be sure to check out this other amazing video.